Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about sewer backflow water valve in your basement. So it can be in your basement mechanical room or somewhere on the other location of your basement. So this will be a plastic box that covers your main drainage. So all the sewer and waste from your house goes through this. So now I will open it and then we will discuss more about it. Now once your cover is open, you will see there is a transparent box. So all the sewer, all the waste from your house goes through this. So there is a very simple way to test it, which is recommended to do once a year or twice a year, depending on your choice. So what you need to do is just go upstairs and flush all the toilets. And before doing that, fill all the sinks or maybe master washroom and common washroom tub, and then drain everything at one time. So I will fill those up and then I will drain and I will show you how it looks. So now I filled the tub and I drained all of them. So if you see, there's a continuous water flowing. So I think you can see it here. There is no obstruction. So if the water is free flowing, then you don't have to worry about anything. But it's just a simple test to see if your sewer line is running properly. Now once your test is complete, you can just put back the lid and close it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.